for aha Ghana TV GH. Make sure like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime video bits we upload here, we stand back and be.
Nobody should waste time on them. In fact, that was the least thing I was expecting from, I can't say, from one at the tube. Open running mate. Open running mate, you know. Even by your call by seniority, by politics, you know, all this work. I don't think so. What player can say a critical role as any Napo, or you could find more than Napo. And in fact, Napo one mentor in this cabinet ministry, and then also well grown horns, and also the chum. Can someone here was it oh dear bomb and this society? I know I can't say war from a one bomb from what we call what you. And can economy a bad like a war at you. What do you get wanted to in financial economy? So I just hear clearly no more beer and follow for that. And I'm when I'm here say and this is for back 8. Oh yeah, and your mother up on my MPP, my friend is about MPP. And I wouldn't have somebody compare with Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. No doubt say Yendi seat in a surgery at your back. Because you're both for I don't see why you lost the Yendi seat. But in Nane, the same Zongola Chichi on the call behind a support the independent candidate. This was a cancer, and this is let him margin every year. And then one can't show win and say from Combinat Japan to whoever. On the consider Kakara because I had back for my enemy who to run the press secretary. And I won't country what is the other guy named Alan Cash at his age, there are 40 years of Kodan, but in America. No? That is when he also came in the limelight. Mumba, one can't show and say. Or when nobody is equal to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. He in the even civil servant a cancer position, you know, no Ginny. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia started Ginny, they cannot go for crying and embedded in president. Bank of Ghana. Monkote audio of Akufo-Addo. Time or presenting Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Was it the best friend and Paul Akwa? Was you hear one of the fantastic things that Dr. Paul Akwa said about Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia? Imagine Dr. Paul Akwa, no, or I can't say, IMF. And I know Omudinema Akufo-Addo. And the Mahmoud Bawumia at the time I know or Jai Bank of Ghana crab into politics not quite popular already because at that time knew he was the cancer the person who take the highest salary in Ghana. At the time when I had Bank of Ghana governor. Go and take the highest salary. And then the politics for with all the respect, because me can't quite such Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Yeah, the only toy, we don't care who you are. So far as the life at that time, I'm Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Nobody is there. MP before, whether you like it or not, you know. Got the cast on a way. And on that attorney home. We saw on several occasions when doctor has been speaking about microeconomic cancer imbalances, you know. And then
Oman few will be but no pay to me. No one was said, can one be catch or say, Dr. Edmund Bawumia and your grassroots into Abetiano. Babusana said, Minister no yen. Grassroots win or the boa board no dasson. Grassroots win or the boa ye appointees Okurumwa. So we share government appointee, be said minister now say, will be other board so. Mammy, what can 1 year ago, and ye be a sick open information keke. Now on so called what can be. And now man information keke. But we share what do be see treaty no. Obaka said what Jawana go. And the doctor Edmund Bawumia Jinum Same Pomacho, do my nano. A sanity. Yet Tibi, yet Chairman for Guamontama investigation in Army, you say. Never seen the same man to Miss Ramo. The other beer Jamu. Ninka your humbum near your barco. Ninko pre to me. You see, I didn't know Dr. Edmund Bawumia Pacho. Omunti bida. I know that will say, Nipan you leader, and you will leader. Nipana, o pese obano, ahomaswa na ma. Because wo fuma will be crana. Wo nimse me kopacho. Wo kan sama enyef will be one, wo nimse me kopacho. But Dr. Edmund Bawumia do sa hantan obi ni mo. Se ne baya de na senya obegina ma pa mani na acho say. Adia me mane ye no o manye ne ye ntimo fa nche wo mo ne yenko ye no o man Ghana nchekere ne yepe anya evi obi interest nti na me pre ayi ba se bi o manga na bebu wa kunanim na wote wo manga na monya hodaso no ana ye di ayi akonya yi ma ye nuan hwe the security service na aye security system na abreki ma me na wonam kuruma ehu obia be di adanse ehu ene na dan kokufo na Dr. Edmond Bomia na to abama na anko bedi so a saa mini nka me papa a wodo okuku ka okuku no ka ndu ba bi enye ba bi wo na dan kokufo Dr. Edmond Bomia be fa okuku 450 omu ko do 3100 enkofo be di ade wo mo si koko board de ka nto mu ntimi ntu koko mu na emom ya ma randia bi busumi bia no oje 12 bars wo sika busumi bia no randia be je 12 bars wo sika enti every year bia no obeje 140 bars wo sika enti 4 years no wo je 576 bars wo sika no wo je busa sem papa kwa no kodo koko no emfaso de be no nunya afri so uko kan yesi koko na yede betum akodu 7000 no yede ato warranty boot no say 80 cedis ayeti 800,000 80 cedis enti ayi no musika 4000 something no yede anu akoto ayi warranty boot ane se kan de brew anu kire amamofo ni amamo boni a nipa tim ya pa John Doma ni mama bae no ontu ayi foka teachers foka ontu nurse foka ontua contractors ontua maka onfa baye adwuma ni bia omo ba nansi ya no omo diska 10.2 billion dollars and wadi omo ba ye no 10.2 billion dollars onfa adwuma ni bia ontua contractors foka ba wadi 10.2 billion dollars and the Dr. Edmond Bomia say baby o man na dane kono ya nyi obi a na adwumu do te se Dr. Edmond Bomia no wodwene o man no ho a ye be kokoto amenam because ya pa John Doma ni mama de nim se sikadie eni sikawiade omo government omo NDC party na nkase de twa omo furuma ye pa ya da na ye vice president ya the whole world ye declare ni say government official one no oni John Doma ni mahama ene wo ade akwa ya bo ni picture odi akobo unim se watua hwe sika ni anuoma huni nuoma tan ya mfaso ni so a nurse fu su yintu omaka teachers fu su yintu omaka kokko akuafo sika oma fadi ana omode gu omusrem ana omote TikTok ana omosresre omo guys TikTok omosresre
ni nko akwa odi akire ko ye no ni nka ga na abo
what you say
oba no
na musi chief justice di okuno tukan ma yinadi ene wudu uyire tukan na eka sika na wasesa na odi egu Ghana sika na wasesa di egu pnemu ana wo yire na wo ma na mo se no faso bi eni so hwi firi so mna wo man no ana mo te Ghana ha ana nsemu funu ana wo kasame enchew ana wo ye bema bekasai na mo te wo man mu ke Dr. Edmond Bomia so no sa homa so fi no Nyankopon fa bi ama no ye ni na ebedi adanse se ye hwe nipa ene se nyamesuro wonumu na obetime di nokura di abu o man na ma o man na fa no ntuma pafra Dr. Edmond Bomia onne betime di sa man enti ma obi a na ada ye mese wo mu no mo so mo pafra gbe ye wo MPP na wo mo yesi yanhwe grassroots me paacho wo ba ho busa ne se no wo ye minister enti no wo ye minister no e de ammo no de bua grassroots no kan kire no ba no wakachi we say na wo da board so no grassroots no de ade na wo ye de bua mo ka bi kire ye so mutimi ka bi kire mo dia no makasa na se mo ana MPP ba mo hwe grassroots so wutimi hwe grassroots dia ana MPP ba mo hwe grassroots ba want me anhwe dia ana meme yi hu mfirim enti mi di manu sia mo obi aba menum nuanom mesre delegate said ye sister Ghana Jollof Kai percentage no me say ye there Dr. Edmond Bomia there obawie ne ba percentage ne ye say increase no man ye high no obi ehu say Ghana fu say yampa papa ne ya gina tum MPP fo na kasa gina tum eni obi said ye si yo say na dan kokufo na na chinchim hwansa na wo yesi no de ma obi no dabi ene na dan kokufo de ne obi ntino yanko abano man Ghana fu ni nanji papa no tum say no kure MPP fo agina tum na 2028 yen fa koji to me free amamo fun amamo kankan amamo tantan we en free John Dramani ma amanse be da masem de manu asi
ne wuwu mu no eye soronko nti yemfa tumi ni agoro ye ni abre ne pese edi tumi yemfa de ye de ne kwa yebenya nye de onu atimi egu ne hu anim asese wonu won pepa wada akeka nsem na MPP party ene ye pe obi am na di yanim ye pe obi am na di yanim a e wo se ye hwe niema bebre bi te se de wo ba grassroots ne wo a wa ye adwuma ma party no de wo ba obehunu se wo adwuma a wo ye ne som ne bo na onfa ho se wo ye ohiani ana wo ye kwatani wo ye yarefo obebie ne ponato ho na waje wa atu na de wo kaaye ne wo ye de wuti aye wasoma obi eti asem wana ya ututu de kwaye adwuma ma party no wada wase na party na nyina aka bu matu ahoka ope no a Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia emfa nkoma wo bia obeba ase abedi watem ade aguso ano ya ade bi ma no ya papa na senke de ano ya me anam ka ma semse ye de ano ya na di president ya ene nka me akosu ajolof ma be gina di bi da dawo nye no ni edidi president akunya eto a yebo baabia ne de edi obi si a eyeyi nti mesremo delegate yesremo madawroma monkai se Dr. Mahmood Bawumia party MPP no ena yehia no yehia me kese esene se de wonu no hia tumi no because tumi no Bawumia ye dini di animu no akwaji tumi no tumi ni ye nyina ye dia ye dini pa ba akudi animu akwaji tumi na ye nyina ye dia enti yesremo ye ne mo mechanic se ntwe na atwetan na akosua me ho fa me sremo ankasa se nipa ye de ne kwa ibenya tumi no munim dada Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia madawroma ono na ye ho be ye din a ibetimi asifom aye campaign yi because ono no ye to bomb nkrofo a omunya bi nto moyen yi na we die mo de ne kwa ye kura ya no bedwo obi antimi nkasa biem because ensem e wono ho ankrofo be ka no power na nya de a ibenya ta ti esremo tumi de ede ye nyina ye nkan hu se tumi ede papa na tumi ede na se ye petumi dia na ye Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia ye dini dia animu kwaji tumi na ye nyina ye dia na ye nyina ye di so mfa so ehunu se ye party aba power na anye bia na se MPP aba power na se utimi kwagina kwanche mponya freedom eto wa achedi na ya mechew utimi bie wa no social media kasa na ya mechew na se ye party ni ba ntia timesrew ye mompa ye ni ye fa hoden ene kasa ni adwuma entaye wura Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia chi na onkwaji tumi no enfambre ye de enim se January na de eye doctor na enya wono ene be we na gabo no ne esremu se nkoto aba nto ntwene because Kennedy wonya farmer doctor preko na gabo ni ntimi nya kese ekoben so a na wo be ha adwen se akoben so nti na ba kwa adwe ne se ne se wotietia ne 19 kura na so twtwa ne 19 ne wanya ekoben so nti ne next one no benya na odi bidin se mu moma gabo no nya kese se de ombe hu se nya obi afe eni Dr. Mahmood Bawumia na emume ye party ni nyina na yaka bom eni ye Bawumia nti ono nso so omfa na ho ode me join ne na mokoma gabo no kwaye keto ade a no mama na ho ode kakra kura wode na ho ode besi adwiri ye niema ato agu mumubu na pre e mamo ntoma no no hu se onye obi a party ne mpe no e basa ono nso de ahokeka ba be ka dodo no ho ni nyina ya ka bom aye campaign de agitumi enya Dr. Mahmood Bawumia kai se ye MPP any to me ni yepe ni santi ne wose de Bawumia di enim manu si akua mere me da se mesi form na echire
we should put him aside. We the MPP people should put DMB aside because he did not win in 7 regions. Okay, but let me tell Brian and people who think like him, they would never abandon DMB. The NPP would never abandon DMB. We are going to work for him. We are going to push him. We are going to encourage him to be our flag bearer for 2028. We we will vote for him massively to be our flag bearer for 2028. If he doesn't win in 2028, we will bring him in 2032. If he fails in 2032, we will bring him in 2036.
Unless he becomes president.
If he fails in 2036, we will bring him in 2040. If he doesn't win in 2040, he will come back in 2044 until he becomes president. Like Sir John said, even if he's in a wheelchair, we will push him to the presidency. So take
back with our default.
But you mean when Pakulo?
Musa Superior.
Musa Superior. Ah, no Musa Superior. Ah, oh yeah. Oh, me Diego. I was thinking of Musa Dankwa, so I was just the Musa Dankwa. So I had never can answer me. Boss, Wakwichi. Ebe, 2042 million. I can't say. Is it every battery? Yeah, come baby, you're in a hostel.
Okay. Yeah, church will be a. I'm Kasabi, nobody can. What say?
That's say.
You have also pray.